Respected attorney at law and public servant George Soutar has died. He passed away on Monday. Mr. Soutar, during his years of service, was chairman of the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica. He was also the president of the Advocates Association of Jamaica. Now, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness led those paying tribute to Mr. Soutar. The Prime Minister described the former attorney as a man of principle and someone whose life was defined by service to Jamaica. Mr. Soutar was also the lone surviving member of an early leadership group of the Jamaica Labour Party. A period president of the Senate, Tom Tavares Vincent, remembers while also paying tribute to him.
During the time that he spent at the bar, he mentored countless of young lawyers, many of whom are now at the pinnacle of their careers at the bar and in various agencies across the country. He was widely loved and respected, and someone who no one had a bad word to say about. He will be sorely missed. From the point of view of the Jamaica Labour Party, he participated in virtually every important development in the party since he was called, including countless hours spent during the state of emergency supporting persons who had been detained, and during the Green Bay inquiry, he played an important role there.